Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to share iCloud photos with others. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So I've got my two iPhones in one screen. So now go to settings on your iPhone, then tap on your Apple ID, locate the album and your Photos app on the other iPhone by navigating to the top. Tap on Family Sharing, then select Continue, Next, tap on Invite Others, go for AirDrop, and ensure that other iPhone has AirDrop to set to Everyone. On the other iPhone, tap on the user's name, choose Show Invitation, and then tap on Join Family. Once done, tap on Done, and return to the home screen. Open your Photos app on your iPhone, tap the plus icon in the top left corner, then choose New Shared Album. Name the shared album, and tap Next. Tap the plus button in the top right corner, choose the name of the other iPhone user, and tap Create. Now the shared album is ready, allowing you to share pictures and videos. Access this newly created album, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and choose Add Photos. Choose your desired videos and photos. Then tap Post. The pictures are not posted in this newly created album. If you check the other iPhone, you will find the shared pictures and videos in a newly created album you shared access to. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.